I'm Peachy, welcome to Doing Makeup but for Hooded Eyes. This week we're covering classic puppy liner. All the products I use in this video will be linked in the description below, so let's get into it. My eyeliner of choice lately has been water activated liners, but we are bringing out Old Reliable today. This is the NYX Epic Wear liner. Use whatever liner you like, but this is my personal favorite. What we're gonna do first, do your eyeshadow however you want. I just put a neutral color all over my lid. Grab your liner. Now, from my crease right here, I'm just gonna kind of follow that line down. Puppy liner is very downturned, but I don't want it to be super downturned and going this way. I kind of want to go down and out a little bit. And don't bring it in too far here. For our next line, we're gonna go kind of underneath our bottom lash line. Just bring it straight out to meet our top line. Now we have this shape, you're just gonna fill that in and only bring it up to where you stop the line. So like right here. Don't bring it in any farther than that. Now you're going to take a pencil liner. I'm using the NYX Epic Smoke Liner. You're going to start smudging this harsh line out right here. And you don't want to bring it in all at the same time. You kind of want to bring it in on an angle from this being the highest point down to this being the lowest point. And don't bring it in too far because we are going to smudge it with a brush. Now I'm using the e.l.f. small smudge brush to soften up these harsh lines. So if it blends a little bit too much, you can just go in with a little bit more eyeliner to darken it up again. Now I'm going to take some pencil liner again and smoke out my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to slightly smudge this out with a brush as well. You can stop here if you'd like, just add some mascara and lashes and you're good to go, but I'm going to add some little fake bottom lashes. Now the last thing that I'm going to do is brighten up my waterline because I think that that really adds to this look as well. You can do this with a white pencil, but I'm personally going to go in with like a nude pencil because I don't want it that bright today. That's not my mood. And the last thing that I'm going to do before I go and add mascara and lashes, I'm going to go in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in shade Milk on my inner corner, and then I'm going to throw a highlighter on top of that. Okay, I'm gonna go add some mascara and lashes and I'll be back. I'm always gonna love how puppy liner turns out. It's so easy to do, especially on hooded eyes because you don't have to make any like weird shapes most of the time. It works super duper well for our eye shape. If you tried this out for the first time yourself, I hope you love it as much as I do. And if you made it to the end of this video, congratulations, you're my favorite. Leave me a comment down below if you want me to cover anything specific in my next tutorial. I do shorter form tutorials over on TikTok and Instagram, so make sure to give me a follow over there. If this video helped you out at all and you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a like and maybe even hit subscribe. That would mean the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.